play. Let's go. Bay play, bay play. Want to check it out? Yeah? Okay, let's check it out. That's the water part, but here's the bay play, the big part. Look. Come on. Look, bro. Come on, hurry. You can get in. How big can you be? Can I go with you? I think I can go with you. Look, her daddy went. I can go with you? You want to go together? Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Come on. No, I'm not going to carry you. We're going to go together. I think I can beat you. I think I can beat you, bro. Oh. Oh, little bit. Whoa. Here I come. I'm winning. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. You can make it over? What? Whoa, we're gonna be able to climb that rope? I think we don't gotta climb up, but we just gotta climb down it if we're going down. But we're going up, we can just climb up the net, the rope. We can climb up this. Like that, go to the side. Come on. Follow me, I'll show you. Okay. You go first? Okay, go. No, you're okay. You leave your shoes on. Okay, I come up after you, okay? I come up after you. Okay, go. Here I come. Whoa. Go. Whoa, okay, go. I got you. Oh, I got you. Put that foot there. Okay, put that foot there. There you go. Okay.
I'm going down.
Okay, which way is it? No, I can't. That's too small. I can't fit in that hole. That's too small. Or maybe I can. Look. Maybe I can. Look. Come on, I go second. Okay, go. Come on. We go together. Go. Go. Let's see if we see mommy. The bird's fighting. Oh, he stole his food. Oh, there's mommy. I see her. You see mommy? Tell her to go that way. And then you gotta go through here. Then you gotta go through here when you get up there. Huh? Okay, let's go. She said she'll meet us down when we go down. Okay, you come on. Uh-huh. Excuse me. Wait for me, Isaiah. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Okay, wait for me. Which way? I said we go this way.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, good, bro.
Oh, this one's real big.
Oh, yeah. That one's crazy. Super big. Okay, go. Yeah, 1 second. As soon as we get out. Okay, here we come. We're getting out. Come over here. I'll save you. I'll save you. Oh, here. Hold on to that. Okay, walk on the side. This way. Sideways. I'll save you. Whoa. Okay, I made it. I go first or you go first? Okay. Okay, go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Coming in.
Where is she? She was in the last time I saw her.
Okay, coming out. There's mommy down there. Exit this way, exit. Yeah, exit this way. Downstairs exit. Okay, let's go. Let's go see mommy.
Over here.
Okay, over here, guys. Come on, they're coming. Which way? Pick this way. Go this way. Go right. Go right. Okay, let's go see someone else. Let's go see mommy. That was crazy, bro. High five. High five. Two. Okay, let's go. Let's go check it out. Okay, come on. You gotta go.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to go up there.
We made it, mommy. Yeah.